We believe that every Bettermode community is unique in their own way, which is why we're always trying to give you more ways to customize, so you can have more control and more flexibility. We've noticed that many of you have been using the hero banner instead of the space header to achieve more visually appealing and more customizable headers. Yes, we're guilty too. While the hero banner might be the better looking solution, it lacks some crucial features that makes the space header the space header. That's why we're combining the design flexibility you love from the hero banner and the features you need from the space header to bring you the all-new space banner. We're building this update with you in mind. Your feedback is extremely valuable and has always guided us, and we'd love to hear more about what you may need in this new space header update. What features or customizations would you like to see? Let us know in the comments below. Your input helps us create features that truly align with you and what you need. Now why don't we take a look at this new feature in action? By adding the new space header block, we can see that now there's a variety of presets to choose from. I think I like this one the best, but I don't like the picture. So by going to the artwork submenu, I can change the image, I can put a solid color background, or I can even upload a video. Now that I think about it, I would also like the space description to be shown on the space header. So by scrolling further down into the field submenu, I can just enable it. I can also pick and choose what I want and what I don't want to be shown on the space header. There is even more to explore, so feel free to dive in and discover for yourself. Go to bettermode.com right now and play around. Thanks for watching.